Managing bookings manually can be time consuming, but what if I told you that you can manage your bookings automatically within the WhatsApp? And now your customer don't have to visit multiple websites for booking the appointment. Yes, you can do it by creating a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing automation tool provided by Pabbly. So now let me show you what I am talking about by showing the real-time working of this WhatsApp chatbot. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, and let's say I'm the user or the customer who want to book the appointment or the service through this business, which is saved as my test number. So here I'm going to send a message to my business number. So here I'm going to send this message, that is hello, and this message will initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. And here I'm getting this welcome message with this button, that is book appointment. So I'm going to just select it, and as I have selected this button, I'm getting the list of the service for which I can book the appointment. So now let's open this list, and here I'm getting some of the services. So now let's say I'm going to select this first service, that is haircut and styling, and as I have selected this service, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the preferred date. So here I'm going to enter my preferred date as 12th May 2026, and as I have provided my preferred date, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my preferred timing. So here I'm going to enter my preferred timing as 12 p.m. So as I have provided my preferred timing too, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user, and as I have provided my full name, and now here I'm getting this booking confirmation message. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether my booking data is saved over there or not. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet named as salon data, as I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my salon business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running, and it can be any business, whether it's any service based business or any online business. And right here you can check out that I'm getting the same data which I have recently filled over my WhatsApp for booking the appointment for this particular service. So now you can also do it by creating an amazing WhatsApp chatbot within few minutes, and the best part is you don't need any coding skills for creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So now let's move on towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, which is the most important window for creating the flow of this WhatsApp chatbot. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to access it by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over this sign up free, and if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing this automation or this chatbot for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and if you like this automation or this chatbot and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect, and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards the flow page, and now this WhatsApp chatbot is going to eliminate all the manual conversations with your clients. And after landing to the Pabbly Chatflow, make sure to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And here I have provided this flow the name, WhatsApp booking bot setup for beginners. And right here we're getting this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which initiates our WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the reject entered by your users, or if your users initiates this conversation, or many more. But here I'm going to keep it as the same, that is keyword rejects match. Now you might be thinking, what is this keyword? So as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the same keyword which I'm going to enter over here. So here I have entered it, and afterwards we are getting this option for regex, which is basically used for advanced user input. And here we are getting these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if a user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message. And for that, you just have to drag and drop, and right here we are getting this text button. So I'm going to select it, and you can get this text button note from this message block too. And now here I'm going to enter the welcome message. So here I have entered this welcome message. Now we just have to click over this add button, and here I'm going to enter my button name as book appointment. Now let's click over the save button, and right here if my user select this button that is book appointment, I'm going to provide them list of the services provided by my salon for which they can book the appointment. So I'm going to select this option of list, and now here we are getting this field for header, body and footers. So I'm going to enter just the body as it is necessary. So here I have entered the body of my list. Now I'm going to create a section by simply selecting this add section, and here I'm going to enter my section title as services, and afterwards in this particular section I'm going to add some services or some list items. So for that we just have to click over this add items, and now let's enter the title of our first list item. So here I have entered the title of my first list item or the first service provided by my salon. Now likewise I'm going to add some more items to this list. So here I have added 2 more items to my list, that is facial treatment and makeup service, but you can add many more items to your list. Now if my user selects any of these list items or the service, how will I get to know which service which my user has selected? So you can get the service selected by your users if you provide contact custom field to all these list items. And now you might be wondering, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So right here, for providing the contact custom field, you just have to move over the actions where you will see this node that is set custom field, and here I'm going to select my contact custom field as service type. So now let me search for it, and right here I have got it, and now it is asking me to enter the value. So here I'm going to enter the same value for which I have created this contact custom field, and now this contact custom field service type will consist of the service selected by my user. So you can add the $sign before this contact custom field, and you can send personalized messages to your customers. And if you wish to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to go towards the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields which you have to select, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page where you can create it by simply selecting this add more field button. And right here I have already done it. Now I'm going to provide contact custom field to remaining list items too. So here I have provided contact custom fields. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I'm going to ask them some questions for making the booking, and for that we have to use this node that is ask question. And now here I'm going to enter a question asking for the preferred date for the appointment. But let me firstly connect all these contact custom field nodes with this question node, and here I'm going to enter this question asking for the preferred date. Now let's select the contact custom field as appointment date, and afterwards I'm going to select my format as date as well. And as you will select the format as date, it will ask you to enter the number. So here it's basically asking you to enter the number of attempt you want to provide to user for entering a valid input. So here I'm going to keep it as 0, but you can modify it according to you. Now afterwards I'm going to add some more questions to this flow. So here I have entered this question asking for the preferred timing and full name. Now if my user provides me answer of all these questions, I want to save this data to my Google Sheet, and for that I have to use this node that is API request. So by using API request, I'm going to integrate my Pabbly Chatflow with the Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation tool provided by Pabbly which help you to integrate thousands of applications. So by using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to integrate my Pabbly Chatflow with the Google Sheet, and I have already done this integration. So right here you can see I have already integrated my API request with my Pabbly Connect, and here you can check out that I have selected my request method as post, and here I have entered this webhook URL which I have got through my Pabbly Connect. So here on my Pabbly Connect you can see I have already integrated Pabbly Chatflow with the Google Sheet, and here on my Pabbly Chatflow I have selected this app event that is new message received. So now as soon as I will receive a new message, the data will be automatically sent to the Google Sheet. And here I have connected this API request by using this webhook URL. So I have entered this webhook URL over my API request node, and I have entered these parameters for which I want to save the data, and according to these keys I have selected the contact custom field which will store the data. So now afterwards I am going to send this test data to the Pabbly Chatflow, and here you can see this is the response which I have received, and by using this response I am going to add the data to the Google Sheet by mapping all these data. So here I have mapped all these details, and by using this simple method I have saved the data over my Google Sheet. And now afterwards I am going to provide the status fallback, means the final message which I am going to send to my user. So for that again I am going to use the text button note. So here I have entered this confirmation message. So with this we are done with our booking bot. Now you can also create this WhatsApp chat bot if you want your customers to book the service or the appointment within the WhatsApp, and you can even save the data of the appointment or the booking in the Google Sheet as well by creating this amazing WhatsApp chat bot without needing any coding skills. And don't forget to save it by simply selecting the save button, and right here we are getting this pop-up which means it is saved successfully. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and eliminate the manual conversations with your clients. Because by using Pabbly Chatflow you don't have to manually ask for the details from your customers again and again, and you don't have to manually provide the services offered by your business to your customers again and again, because this WhatsApp chatbot is going to do so. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.